Here we have question 6. Based on this diagram of line segment AB, which of the statement is true? So AB equals to ACB is equal to AB minus AC. Let's see if that makes sense. So the two pieces is going to be AC plus CB. That's going to be equal to AB. Okay. So small plus small equals to the large part. Let's see if the first one makes sense. Get CB alone. So I'm going to minus AC. CB is equal to AB minus AC. That is true. Okay. AC. Okay, let's do AC by itself. That means we are going to subtract CB, subtract CB. This is AC is equal to AB minus CB. AB, do we know what AB is? No, yeah, that is 62. Minus CB is 11. Does that work? Nope, that is false. Okay, what about AB? Well, we know what AB is. Okay, let's plug in some values. AC, do we know AC? Nope. Do we know what CB is? Yep, this could be 11. Okay, so AC plus 11, that does equal to B. That is correct. So there you go. You just work with the segment addition postulates to modify to get the equations.